So when you open a Microsoft Access, this is the welcome screen that you will always get. Now, the basic difference that has been in Microsoft Access 2013 from its previous versions is that uh, Access 2013 makes it very easy for you to create up web applications by storing your databases on OneDrive, that is on a cloud server, and lets you say manipulate or access your web applications even if you are not a seasoned developer, seasoned programmer. So right now, as you can see, there are some big buttons on the welcome screen over here, and we can create up a custom web app. We can create up a blank database. We can use a whole lot of other options to get started with Microsoft Access. But before we get on to these two big ones, let's see what are other options available to us on the welcome screen of Microsoft Access. So the first one which we are going to explore is the asset tracking, and the moment you will click on it, it will tell you that it is a template that you need to download from a Microsoft website, and you need to have a SharePoint to download it also. So this is basically you can say a tool that is used to track your assets over time, and you would be able to identify your items, the manufacturers. You can put in the comments, you can put in the condition of the product and the person who has owned the product. So basically it is like say a sales management system which lets you track where are the different products that you have manufactured are going to, or which are the different products that you have ordered are coming from. And pretty much on the same lines, there we can also manage our contacts also. And this is again a template that which we need to download. But what the basic understanding of the whole process is that, like we discussed in the previous session, since Access is basically a database and a database houses the data, so any form of text or numbers that you put into Access, say be it be contacts, be it be an item's ID or its type, it can be manipulated in Access. So just like the contacts template, we also have the issue tracking template, and this is pretty much useful in the customer care industry or in the HR department of an organization, and it will let you create a custom application for tracking the issues among your organization. And other one is the project management. Again, it is pretty much similar to the ones which we discussed before. The last one being the task management. This is again a template which we can download to enter things into the forms developed out of this and manage our data. Now, I have been saying a lot about databases and form control and applications in MS Access. Now, what I really want you to understand is that Microsoft is moving on from the default software talking to the application talking, because since the world is moving on to the mobile, it is very important for Microsoft to catch up with the fact that they need to have a different say tools to make every data accessible on mobile. So this is the major thing that has happened in Microsoft Access 2013, and it will let you create new mobile applications, new web applications, which you can access on your iPad, on your Samsung tab, or even on your mobile phones. So in the next session, we are going to begin with so how do we create up a database in MS Access. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.